Welcome the students in science class. Class 10, Unit 6, Current, Electricity and Magnetism. Topics: Current, Electricity, AC and DC, heating effect and lighting effect, electric bell, dynamo and generator, electric motor and motor effect, electromagnetic induction, inverter, charger and transformer. Numerical. Current, electricity. The electricity generated due to flow of electrons is called current electricity. Alternating current, AC. The current which changes the polarity with time is called alternating current. It is also called AC. It is produced by AC generators. The frequency of AC current provided in our home is 50 Hz. It means AC current changes polarity 50 times in a second. Direct current, DC. The current which do not change polarity is called direct current. It is also called DC. It is produced by DC generators, cells, etc. Heating effect. When electricity is passed through heating element, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. This effect is called heating effect. Heating element. The element which converts electrical energy into heat energy is called heating element. Example: nichrome. The alloy made up of 60% nickel and 40% chromium is called nichrome. Nichrome is used as heating element because it has high resistance, high melting point and do not react with oxygen up to 900 degrees Celsius. Lighting effect. When electricity passes through lighting element, electrical energy converts into light energy is called lighting effect. Lighting element. The element or device which converts electrical energy into light energy is called lighting element. Example: tungsten. Filament lamp. The lamp which uses filament of tungsten is called filament lamp. It works about 1000 hours. It converts only 10% electrical energy to light energy. It uses nitrogen gas and inert gas. Because tungsten filament vaporizes with oxygen gas in high temperature. Fluorescent lamp. The lamp made with fluorescent powder, mercury vapor and tungsten filament is called fluorescent lamp. It works about 3000 hours. It converts about 30% electrical energy to light energy. Mercury vapor transfers electrons from one electrode to another, due to which ultraviolet rays are produced. When ultraviolet rays collide with fluorescent powder converts ultraviolet rays into visible light. Fluorescent lamps are advised to use because it converts 30% electrical energy to light energy, whereas filament converts only 10%. CFL means compact fluorescent lamp. LED means light emitting diode. Magnetic effect. When electricity is passed through the solenoid, the iron bar inside it becomes electromagnet. This is called magnetic effect of electricity. Solenoid. Solenoid is the coil of laminated wire. Magnetic effect of electricity are seen in speakers, electric bell and microphones. Electric bell. Electric bell is the bell based on magnetic effect of electricity. When the electromagnet is formed, it attracts the armature and hammer hits the gong. Electromagnetic induction. When the magnetic flux linked with closed conductor changes, the induced EMF is produced. This is called electromagnetic induction. Equipment based in electromagnetic induction. Bicycle dynamo, electric dynamo, generator. Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. 1. When the magnetic flux linked with closed circuit changes, EMF is produced. 2. The EMF produced is proportional to the rate of magnetic flux. 3. The EMF is produced till the magnetic flux changes. Bicycle dynamo. The device which converts kinetic energy into electrical energy is called bicycle dynamo. Electric generator. The instrument which converts kinetic energy into electric energy is called electric generator. It works on principle of electromagnetic induction. Galvanometer. The instrument which is used to identify a small amount of electricity is called galvanometer. While magnet is moved up and down, fluctuation of needle is seen on galvanometer. Because EMF is produced due to electromagnetic induction. How can induced EMF be increased? By increasing the number of coil turns. By using strong magnet. By increasing speed of motion. Decreasing the distance between magnet and coil. Electric motor. The instrument which converts electric energy into kinetic energy is called electric motor. It works on principle of motor effect. Motor effect. When the EMF is passed through the closed conductor placed at magnetic field, it starts to move or rotate. This is called motor effect. Electric appliance. Inverter. The electric appliance which converts AC current to DC and DC current to AC is called inverter. Inverter converts AC current to DC when AC supply is on and DC current to AC current when AC supply is off. Charger. The electric instrument which is used for charging the batteries of mobile or other is called charger. Transformer. An electric equipment which converts high AC voltage to low AC voltage or vice versa is called transformer. Types. A. Step up. B. Step down. Step up transformer. The transformer which converts low AC voltage to high AC voltage is called step up transformer. It has more secondary turns. It is used in power station and industries. Step down transformer. The transformer which converts high AC voltage to low AC voltage is called step down transformer. It has less secondary turns. It is used in charger, radio and TV. The core of transformer is laminated with varnish or shellac. because it helps to check formation of eddy current and increases the efficiency of transformer. Rule of transformer. Primary volt upon secondary volt equals to primary turns upon secondary turns. That is, V1 upon V2 equals to N1 upon N2. The number of primary coil turns and secondary coil turns are not made equal because it has no use in daily life, since it gives secondary voltage equal to the primary voltage. Safety measures of electricity. Appropriate fuse should be used. Bare wires should be insulated properly. Earthing should be done. Fuse and switch should be connected in live line. Electric equipment should not be installed in damp places. Electric power consumption. Electric power consumption is measured in kilowatt hour. Formula for electric consumption. Unit consumed equals to power into number of items into time. Unit equals to P into N into T. During calculation of unit consumed, power must be in kilowatt, time must be in hour. 1 kilowatt hour. If a device of 1 kilowatt power is used for 1 hour, the consumption of electricity is called 1 kilowatt hour. It is also called 1 unit. Energy in 1 kilowatt hour. 1 unit equals to 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour equals to 1000 watt into 3600 second equals to 1000 joule per second into 3600 second equals to 1000 into 3600 joule equals to 36 lakhs joule equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Effects of electricity. Heating effect, lighting effect, magnetic effect, chemical effect. Numericals. 1. A power transmission line feeds input power at 2400 volt to a step-down transformer with the primary windings of 2000 turns. What should be the number of turns in the secondary coil to get output of 220 volt? Solution. Primary voltage V1 equals to 2400 volt. Primary turns N1 equals to 2000 turns. Secondary voltage V2 equals to 220 volt. Secondary turns N2 equals to what? We know V1 upon V2 equals to N1 upon N2, or 2400 upon 220 equals to 2000 upon N2, or 2400 into N2 equals to 2000 into 220, or N2 equals to 2000 into 220 upon 2400. Therefore, N2 equals to 183.3 turns. Two. A transformer is of 220 volt primary voltage and 1000 turns in the primary coils. How many turns of secondary coils will be needed to produce 110 volt from that transformer? Solution. Primary voltage V1 equals to 220 volt. Primary turns N1 equals to 1000 turns. Secondary voltage V2 equals to 110 volt. Secondary turns N2 equals to what? We know V1 upon V2 equals to N1 upon N2, or 220 upon 110 equals to 1000 upon N2, or 220 into N2 equals to 1000 into 110, or N2 equals to 1000 into 110 upon 220. Therefore, N2 equals to 500 turns. Three. Calculate the output voltage in transformer if input voltage is 240 volt and ratio of the number of turns in secondary to the primary coil is 3:2. Solution. Primary voltage V1 equals to 240 volt. Primary turns N1 equals to 2x turns. Secondary voltage V2 equals to what? Secondary turns N2 equals to 3x turns. We know V1 upon V2 equals to N1 upon N2, or 240 upon V2 equals to 2x upon 3x, or 2 into V2 equals to 240 into 3, or V2 equals to 240 into 3 upon 2. Therefore, V2 equals to 360 volt. Four. The number of turns of the primary windings of a certain transformer is 150 times then that in the secondary winding. Calculate the input EMF in the primary windings if the EMF generated in the secondary windings is 220 volt AC. Solution. Primary voltage V1 equals to what? Primary turns N1 equals to 150 x turns. Secondary voltage V2 equals to 220 volt. Secondary turns N2 equals to x turns. We know V1 upon V2 equals to N1 upon N2, or V1 upon 220 equals to 150x upon 1x, or 1 into V1 equals to 150 into 220, or V1 equals to 150 into 220 upon 1, or V1 equals to 33,000 volt. Therefore, V1 equals to 33 kilovolt. An electric heater of 2 horsepower is used to make hall warmer every day for 2 hours. Find the number of units consumed in 7 days. Solution. Power P equals to 2 horsepower equals to 2 into 750 watt equals to 1500 watt equals to 1500 upon 1000 kilowatt equals to 1.5 kilowatt. Number of heater N equals to 1. Time T equals to 2 hours into 7 equals to 14 hours. Unit U equals to watt. We know unit equals to P into N into T, or unit equals to 1.5 into 1 into 14. Therefore, unit equals to 21 units. 6. 10 electric bulbs of 100 watt are used for 6 hours per day, and 2 electric heaters of 2 kilowatt are used for 2 hours per day. Calculate the total consumption of electricity for a day. Solution. For electric bulbs, power of bulb P equals to 100 watt equals to 100 upon 1000 kilowatt equals to 0.1 kilowatt. Number of bulbs N equals to 10. Time T equals to 6 hours. Unit U1 equals to watt. We know U1 equals to P into N into T, or U1 equals to 0.1 into 10 into 6. Therefore, U1 equals to 6 units. Again, for heaters, power of heaters P equals to 2 kilowatt. Number of heaters N equals to 2. Time T equals to 2 hours. Unit U2 equals to watt. We know U2 equals to P into N into T, or U2 equals to 2 into 2 into 2, or U2 equals to 8 units. Total unit equals to U1 plus U2 equals to 6 unit plus 8 unit equals to 14 unit. 7. In a house, an electric bulb of 60 watt is used for 15 hours, and an electric heater of 750 watt is used for 10 hours every day. Calculate the cost of using the bulb and heater for 30 days if the cost of 1 unit of electricity is rupees 7. Solution. For electric bulbs, power of bulb P equals to 60 watt equals to 0.06 kilowatt. Number of bulb N equals to 1. Time T equals to 15 hours into 30 equals to 450 hours. Unit 1 equals to watt. We know U1 equals to P into N into T, or U1 equals to 0.06 into 1 into 450. Therefore, U1 equals to 27 units. Again, for heaters, power of heater P equals to 750 watt equals to 0.75 kilowatt. Number of heater N equals to 1. Time T equals to 10 hour into 30 equals to 300 hours. Unit U2 equals to what? We know U2 equals to P into N into T, or U2 equals to 0.75 into 1 into 300. Therefore, U2 equals to 225 units. Total unit equals to U1 plus U2 equals to 27 unit plus 225 unit equals to 252 units. Now, rate of electricity R equals to rupees 7 per unit. Total cost equals to rate into total unit equals to rupees 7 into 252 equals to rupees 1764.